Hey guys, so I got another skateboard deck I got to finish up, and I'm applying the top logo right now. But instead of just a single color that I normally do, I don't know why I'm hooked on these split fountain colors. It's basically like two colors side by side that fade together. But you really want to, the key to this is to pick colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, you know. Red, orange, blue, green, stuff like that, okay? So I've got my speedball, red, orange. I'll open it up. Stir it up a little bit. Remember this ink, you always want to stir it up. Okay, add a little dab of red here. Next, I'm going to do the orange. The same thing applies. Stir it up a little bit. So if you notice, I left a little bit of gap in between my colors. This is going to help when I start flooding and printing. It's going to help blend the colors together. And the cool thing about this technique is that this is never going to be the same, okay? Each print is going to be different, which is pretty cool. So I start by giving this a little flood, okay? And I always want to do a couple test prints and see how it turned out, okay? I think that's exactly what I want for this fade, red to orange, okay? So now that I got my test print completed, throw this away. Now we're gonna go straight, print straight to the deck. So I try to keep my colors in line again, give it a little flood. There you go. Split color fountain complete. So a good thing about speedball ink, it air dries because you want to limit the amount of heat that goes on your skateboards, okay? Heat and wood, high heat and wood don't mix. So when you guys are screen printing skateboards and stuff, kind of stick to something that doesn't need to cure. And speedball ink is perfect for that.